All right. Madam Secretary.
Presentation of proclamation of Fort Worth Police Officers Award Foundation Day.
This presentation will be made on behalf of the entire council by Councilmember Jordan. I'd ask those present to receive the proclamation. Come on down. I guess.
Well, Mr. Mayor, I think everyone on council and I think our citizens on patrol and everyone involved with our police department know one thing for certain, and that is that the Fort Worth Police Department is the finest in the world. One thing I do not understand about criminals in Fort Worth is if they commit a crime, there's one thing certain: they're going to be arrested. And our Fort Worth Police Department is the best, and I just couldn't say enough. Today I'm here to read a proclamation from the Office of the Mayor. Whereas the Fort Worth Police Officers Award Foundation is believed to be the only private organization in the country that makes it a priority to recognize the efficiency, skill, professionalism, and dedication on the part of its police officers, both individually and collectively. And whereas the foundation was founded in 1981 for the sole purpose of promoting excellence in Fort Worth law enforcement, in addition to supporting the police officers of our great city for almost 3 decades, and this year is renewing its commitment to its mission by increasing public awareness of its efforts. And whereas the City of Fort Worth, as well as the Fort Worth Police Department, are grateful to the Foundation for the commitment to the excellence of our police officers by awarding those officers who serve with respect, dedication, and professionalism. And whereas the Fort Worth Police Officers Association has entered into a public partnership with the Foundation to promote excellence and recognizes the Foundation's quest for greatness through the generosity of our community and its citizens. Now, therefore, we, the Fort Worth City Council, do hereby proclaim April 20th, 2010 as Fort Worth Police Officers Award Foundation Day in the City of Fort Worth, signed by Mayor Moncrief and the entire council. And I guess, who's accepting? Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes.
Mr. Mayor, members of the council, thank you very much. Mr. Jordan, thank you. My name is John Joyce, and I'm chair of the Police Foundation, and I'd like to introduce a few of our trustees, Mr. Greg Miller, Mr. Glenn Hahn, and Mr. Tom Law. And of course, you all know Chief Halstead and Rick Van Houten, the president of the Police Officers Association. The foundation was founded in 1981 by a group of businessmen who wanted to make a difference in the police department. And Mr. Mayor, I believe you were a member of our foundation.
Yes, sir.
And thank you so much for that
founding
members. Unfortunately, many times the poor choices and acts of a few overshadow the good deeds of the many. These good deeds and sacrifices are sometimes overlooked or even taken for granted. We have an exceptional police department, as you all know, and it's comprised of men and women who serve this community with excellence every day. And this, of course, is our mission in the foundation, to promote that excellence. As a consequence of this, the Fort Worth Police Officers Award Foundation recognizes this service and sacrifice and is embarking on a campaign to spread this message to our community. We've got some posters here for you all to look at that we've put out. We're going to do billboards. We've got some bags for all of you with information about our campaign to look at your leisure. And we would encourage each of you to support this effort and become a member of our foundation. If you're not already, you can go to fwpoliceawards.org is our website and join. And having said that, I'd like to let the Chief say a few words.
Chief.
Thank you so much, Mayor and members of council. Newly in my tenure, when I was introduced to the concept of the Police Awards Foundation, I had absolutely no idea the volume of giving and the tremendous amount of support they have from brand new recruits, because they give awards at our recruit graduation. Every single promotion, they provide awards and support. They bring in some of the best training around the nation for our department. They support our employees to go to the FBI National Academy, the Southern Police Institute. They advance our leaders in areas where other cities are having to say no. They continue to say yes. And just recently, we were faced with some tough budget decisions, and we were no longer able to provide specific things to some of our civilian leaders. Once again, they stepped up because they understand the support within that mission that rests within the police department. And I just can't express not only my appreciation, but for the 2,000 employees we have for our police department, knowing that an organization whose primary mission is to do nothing but support your efforts means the world to everyone that wears this uniform and for everyone that works in our department to complete our mission. Community support is the greatest thing we have, and thanks to our community leaders, we get the chance to enjoy it. It means a lot.
Appreciate that, Chief. I think that, Rick, did you want to make a comment on behalf of the association?
Yeah, Mr. Mayor, one thing real quick. I just returned from Boston, a meeting of the 50 largest union and association leaders in the country at Harvard University. And one thing I noticed, no other city across this nation has the kind of support that we do here in Fort Worth. Nobody. Whether that's community support, citizen support, the Awards Foundation, we are a family, a unique family here. And I'm proud to be associated with the Awards Foundation.
Appreciate that. I think all of us have heard at least enough to have an idea of what this foundation does. I don't think what a lot of folks realize is that this is the only private organization in the country that does this. That kind of surprised me because I would have thought that someone would have copied us by now, and if they hadn't, they should. But I think this is a reflection of the confidence that people have in this department and wanting everyone to realize, as John stated earlier, that just because you have a couple of instances, that is not a reflection of this department. This is the best department in the country, and I think the people who live here know what to expect. It's not a matter of demand. It's what they expect and what they deserve, and this department delivers both. So again, as a member of this foundation, I would encourage all the members of this council, if you're not a member, join up. It doesn't cost an arm and a leg, but it makes a big difference in being able to do some of the things that this foundation does. And if you haven't seen the presentations at one of our graduations, you should. If you haven't been there to their annual function, you should. This is a big deal. So thank all of you for taking the time to serve on this board and for what you do above and beyond the time the board itself requires. Appreciate it. Thank you all. Madam Secretary.
Announcements by City Council members and staff regarding upcoming and recent events and recognition of citizens.
Mr. Spino.